Do another recording to go over macros and breaking them down, but I am going to do a guy. So I am going to go to the BMR calculator, like I showed you in one of the videos. And I am going to do a 48-year-old male that weighs 257 pounds. And let's say he is 5 feet 11 inches, okay? So we are going to calculate his BMR is 2061, and he is super busy and can only exercise 1 to 3 days per week. So I'm going to take this 2,833 calories to 833, and when we're going to do a 20% cut. So we're going to multiply it by 0.8 to get that 20% cut. Okay, this is going to be his cut. This is what it looks like. So we've got how big did we say this guy is? He is 257 pounds. A 257 pound male. His cut is going to be 2,000, we'll just round it, 266 calories to cut. Now, getting 257 grams of protein is going to be miserable. Not many people can do it. It's tricky to even get like 150, 160 grams. So we are going to take and readjust him for 150 grams of protein, okay? That is going to be his goal right here, because this is not going to be achievable, all right, or doable. It's really, really tricky. Only like male fitness bodybuilders eat that much protein. So we've got 150 grams will be the max that we take as protein, and every gram of protein is equal to 4 calories. So we're going to do the math. 150 grams of protein times 4 calories equals 600. So 600 of these calories are going to be from his protein. Now we need to figure out our 257 pound male with no thyroid issues. We are going to give him point times 0.3 to figure out his fat. Whoop. So we keep that original weight. He is 257 pounds times 0.3 equals. He needs to keep his fat at 77 grams, all right? 77 grams of fat. Now, to find out how many calories 77 grams is, we take 77 grams, and 1 gram is equal to 9 calories in fat. All right? So we're going to take our 77 times 9, and that's going to give us a total of 693. So we need to add the 693, our calories from fat, our calories from protein, to figure out our carbs. So we can add the 693 plus 600 equals 1,293. Now we just need to take this number right here, our cut, 2,266, and subtract 1,293 and see what our total is. 2,266 minus 1,293 equals 973 calories. We can commit to carbs. Now, if you are calculating alcohol in here, alcohol is equal to 70 calories per gram. So we're going to take this person right here and divide this by 4, because remember, carbs, 1 gram of carbs equals 4 calories. So we have figured out divided by, I don't know where that symbol is, but let's just divide it by, 4 equals 243 grams of carbs. So to simplify this, I know that I need to stay within 2,266 calories a day. My goal is to eat 150 grams of protein. My goal is to stay within 77 grams of fat. And then I need to eat 243 grams of carbohydrates. Okay, this is the number. We'll learn how to plug in. These are going to be the key components to putting into MyFitnessPal. Now, if this is all just freaked you out and you're super overwhelmed and there's no way, you're new to this, you're new to counting, you're new to understanding weights and foods, I would actually, if I were you, focus on these numbers right here. Staying within this 2,266 calories and hitting 150 grams of protein, and then let everything else fall into place. I would give that a shot for at least 2 to 3 weeks, even maybe this whole 8-week segment. Just try to hit your calories, stay in your calorie goal, and hit your proteins and see how that works for you. For many of you, this, probably 90% of us, this is going to be just fine. So anyways, this is another demo for you. Text me or FaceTime me or message me if you have questions.